Here we are, MRRF 2024. So this was my first time to an event like this, and I have to say that I was pretty overwhelmed by everything there was to see, and I was just really amazed by what was being done with 3D printers. This project is really cool. It's Spot Micro AI. It's a little robot dog you can build at home. I'm sure the other pets would really love it too. These are the most amazing prints I saw at the whole show. They were really highly detailed and they came straight out of the printer with all these nice colors. Didn't require any painting at all. So here's the printer that these models were printed on. It's the Mamaki numbers and letters. It's a pretty pricey machine, but you know, with all technology, the price will come down over time, and hopefully we'll be all able to make prints like this at home, because these are just really cool prints. So here's all the swag I picked up this year. I got some stickers from content creators and different companies in the 3D printing industry. I got a business card from RX Gaming. Definitely want to get involved with them. They make 3D printed products to help make gaming more accessible. So that's really something I'd like to get involved with. Now these calipers were 3D printed and they were designed by Dr. Lester the Smith. He had a lot of really cool products on display. So here's Dr. Lester the Smith's site and some of his designs that he had at MRRF this year. We had the phone dock, right and left hand calipers. I thought this was really cool. Airball snack has a place for you to put your air tag when eventually your dog loses it somewhere. Now this would have been crazy to design in CAD. I'm sure that just killed the computer. So I thought that was really cool to see. Really cool. And he not only makes designs for 3D prints, he actually is doing some really cool research. Open source 3D tissue research platform. That's really cool. And then we got a bioreactor platform for printing, perfusing, observing, and stimulating 3D tissues. Man, that's just crazy. That's really cool. Really amazing stuff to see what's going on in 3D printing. You typically think of just plastic stuff, but you know, this is a whole new level. All right, so that was my trip to MRRF 2024. Thanks for watching.